You going?
You're next.
You got it. Can I get 2 Big Mac? 2 apple pie? No, actually. Let me get 2 Big Macs and 2 apple pies. A little bit of Sprite on the side of fries. Let me get a McDouble, let me get a McChicken. Hot sauce, make sure it's kicking. I want a McRib before I McPiss. Let me get a hash brown if it is a lunch at. If it is, I'm a be mixed and upset. Let me get some nuggets too. I want a bun cake and a parfait. 2 of them, I really had a hard day. Let me get a McCafe latte and a couple hundred Lost Shamrock shakes. Powerade, hot seat, ranch snack wrap on the side, please. Let me get a burger with a slice of cheese, but no onions or pickles. I hold that. You get all that?
What you gonna do with that dessert? Do what, do I eat that, do that, eat that. Do what, do I eat that, do that, eat that. Do what, do I eat that, do that, eat that. Murder that, dance up, dance up. Brick, 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 brick,
Are you saving that dessert for me?
That's so fat, I eat it from the back, and that pussy so tight. I eat it all night, girl, that pussy so sweet. You gon' miss a nice sheets, yeah, I'ma show you I'm a freak. You gon' love it when I eat.